In this video we are going to set up the robot trading system for the virtual server and MetaTrader 5. So let's get started. I have already uploaded the zip file with the necessary files to my virtual private server, which is hosted by a German company called Contabo. By the way, that was a tip from Raphael, one of the Platin group members. Thank you, Raphael. Now I need to copy it and put it into the right direction. In my case, I'm using PlayonLinux on a Debian-based system, and I need to place the files into the MetaTrader 5 directory, MQL5, and below the directory experts. You see, I've already pasted a few other files here in the past. This is the Platin system. And this is actually the machine that I have used for the last live documentation where I traded the Platin system from $10,000 to $11,000. So let's extract the files here, and this will create the directory that we need. Now let's open MetaTrader 5. And as you see, here is the Platin system. The initial deposit was $10,000. The profit has been $1,012. This is from the last live trading we did. Now let's refresh the expert advisor list here. Here is the robot trading system that I have recompiled yesterday. And we are going to trade the Euro US dollar. But first I need to connect the right account. So I right click onto the server, log into trade account. The number is 370-78115, and now we are connected. Today is Sunday, so we cannot trade live. The markets are closed, but we can do a strategy test. All I need to do is to pick the right system. I would like to do 23 years. Of course, we are just half into 2023, so I guess everything else is okay. Let's pick $10,000 for this test. I'm going with the standard inputs for my personalized system, which is set up to use very high values. I wouldn't recommend that you start with high values. Now let's see what is happening here. Of course, first we need to download all the historical data. That might take a little while. It's not working. It seems that I have an issue here. Let's clear the logs. I might have messed something up. So let's see if we can recompile the files here. This one was okay. And the library also was okay. Let's restart MetaTrader. This is the kind of stuff that happens when you try to do something live on camera. Now it downloads history data. I haven't seen that before, so I think that just no data was available. And this is actually what I expect. It will take a few minutes because I'm downloading data for 20 years. And I don't think that I have seen these entries here show up in the journal before. So let's wait until this is finished. So I guess that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.